Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to add superscript or subscript text in CapCut. So let's get started. First, open CapCut on your computer and create a new project. Once your editing window appears, now go to the text section and add a new text layer. Type in your main text, for example H2 or maybe X. After adding it, place it properly on the timeline. Next, you'll create the superscript or subscript part. Copy your text layer and paste it so you have a duplicate. For example, just keep the 2. Now reduce the size of this smaller text to make it look like an exponent or lower index. After resizing, use your mouse to move it to the correct position. For a superscript, place it on the top right corner of the main text. For a subscript, move it to the bottom right side. Once the position looks perfect, hold Ctrl and select both text layers together. Then right-click and choose Create Compound Clip or Compound Video. This merges both layers into one so that they stay aligned and move together while editing. You can even animate it by adding fade-in, zoom, or bounce effects to make it more dynamic in your video. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss future CapCut editing tips.